Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to apply water decals on your nails and make a Christmas design. So let's get started. You will need scissors, tweezers, some water, I use room temperature water, and your water decals. This is the base card that I used, the bond and colors red and white from Kodi. I will link this all down below. So I just applied the color code on my nails, and after that you can use water decals. If you don't know how to make such gel manicure at home, I will put the link above and in the description box. Cut up some design that you want and put it into the water for 20-30 seconds. You will find a lot of decals on Amazon. I will link this all in the description box. I really like this one with gingerbread ornaments and it looks really cozy. So cut up all design that you're gonna use. Now put it into the water and leave for 20-30 seconds. Then pick it up with tweezers and place it onto the nail wherever you want. Even church bells sing along, and the children making angels in the snow. Oh. You could press it down with your fingers or using the cotton swab dipped in water, or you can use a little brush, like whatever you want. Now it's done and we need to apply one base layer and one top layer. So I use my favorite base and top coat from Kodi. I will link all down below. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Now we're gonna use another decal and then I'll apply the top gel on both nails. Now again base to fixate the decal. One of the last steps is to apply the top gel on both nails. Now it's done and you need just to remove the sticky layer. So take a cotton ball dipped in degreaser and wipe it over the nails. For the other hand, I tried a different design and it's definitely better to use such stripes and paint with white gel polish between them than to draw by hand, but it is what it is. I've not ordered them yet, but they can be found on Amazon too. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you do enjoy this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you're new here. And I'll see you guys in a few days in a brand new video. Bye!